Brocki, otherwise called Brockenhaus or Brockenstube, is a name for a secondhand store in Switzerland that is often run by a charitable organization. Some well-known organizations include Salvation Army, Blue Cross, and Emmaus. A Brocki can also provide job training and employment opportunities. I was once told by a volunteer that their Brocki has brought in millions of francs for its larger organization just by selling the donations from the community. Swiss Brockis have been around for a really long time. The oldest one is the Züricher Brockenhaus, located in Kreise 5, which has been there for 118 years. If you've only experienced secondhand stores in other countries, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the quality and condition of items you generally find in Switzerland. This can largely be attributed to their standards of what donations they accept and how they operate. Each Brocki accepts different donations and are usually quite picky. Sometimes they are at capacity in a certain category, or won't accept items out of season, or from a brand like IKEA. If the condition of the item is good, but could use some revamping, it is often cleaned, fixed, and sometimes even reupholstered. After this, items are priced and neatly sorted into their designated sections in the store. The fun part of a Brocki is that possibilities are truly endless of what you can find. It really is a treasure hunt. But on any given day, you will find a mix of antiques, vintage, modern, and contemporary pieces. In most Brockis, you will find furniture, art, books, mostly in German but often in other languages as well, vintage and contemporary clothes, dishware, fine china, and all kinds of drinking glasses, kids' toys and furniture, crafting and art supplies, sports gear, gardening pots, tools, hardware, you get the picture. Swiss people tend to maintain their things and keep them for a long time, so you'll often find really high quality and complete pieces. Since most Brockis also help with cleaning out estates, there will be items that elsewhere would be in a specialty antique or vintage store for a much higher price tag. As you explore and return to Brockis, you will quickly learn what each one is a good place to search for. Some are more apt to carry art, some big furniture items, others have international book sections, kid stuff, kitchen accessories. Some Brockis even have cafes. There are specialty Brockis that have sections of high-end design classics such as the Züricher Brockenhaus and Brocki auf dem Wulf in Basel. A quick disclaimer. You will see some really odd and strange things. There could easily be an Instagram or Tumblr dedicated to creepy clowns at Swiss Brockis. To me, this adds an additional layer of fun to the treasure hunt and keeps things really interesting. So what have I actually bought? Tons of books, so much art, kids' toys and clothes. Lastly, I want to leave you with some expert tips. Number 1, negotiating isn't really a thing. If you find a price tag on your item, that's the price. Number 2, inventory is variable and things are usually being put out constantly. Some days are a total miss, while other days are a jackpot. Number 3, it can help to have items you're looking for in your head so that you can stay focused and not get overwhelmed. Number 4, Brockis are one of the best places to find high-quality art. You will find antique oil paintings with beautiful, intricate frames and also classically framed posters from museums. Number 5, Google Maps is a starting place to find Brockis, but a real pro will use brockisearch.ch. It has so much information, photos, and descriptions, and is really a great resource. Number 6, if it's Sunday or you just want to search for a specific item, check out Ricardo and Tutti for digital secondhand goods. I hope this has inspired you to check out Brockis in your area, or at a minimum, consider more secondhand stores. These are really fun places to explore, even if you don't find anything, and when you do find that grail, the thrill of capturing something feels really good.